Good evening everyone. Hope you all are doing very well. Today I am here to discuss about your hair problem. I know the climate is very hot and we all are struggling with our hair. So what to do? We have one special oil for you guys. Why don't you try our red onion hair oil? Red onion hair oil is specially made for all kind of hair problem. It works very well on hair fall control. But apart from that, it is very good, to control your dandruff problem in your scalp and to control your gray hair problem in your scalp. And moreover, I'll tell you the ingredients is made out of wonderful ingredients. First of all, obviously red onions and olive oil, castor oil, coconut oil, argan oil, and ginger root mustard seed oil, aloe vera extract, neem extract, and rosemary extract. Rosemary works really wonders to your hair. So guys, my suggestion is for this summer you should use our red onion hair oil, which comes with the new packaging. We have changed the packaging like this. It will come along with the comb. You can shift the cap to the comb and easily you can use this directly to your scalp. So that is the new thing which we have launched, and my suggestion for this summer season, you should go with our red onion hair oil. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching. Thank you.